green graph shows y is equal to f of x. So this green graph here shows y is equal to f of x. The graph of A, B and C are translations of y is equal to f of x. So this is graph A, the orange one is graph B, and the red one is graph C. Write down in terms of f of x the equation of the graphs of A, B and C. So if we take the graphs here, now the way to do this is to take a particular point on the original graph and see where it's moved to on the graph that we're considering. The easiest point to take is this one here, which is the minimum point. So this minimum point here, and that is moved to this point here. So we can see that it's moved down 1, 2, 3 units. So that is a translation 0, minus 3. So translations of vertical translations of the format y is equal to f of x plus c, where c in this case is going to be minus 3. So we've got this is the graph of y is equal to f of x minus 3. Right, for graph B, this minimum point is moved to this point here. So it's moved from here to here. So that is a translation minus 4, 0. That's 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So horizontal translations are y is equal to f of x minus h. So because this is minus 4, this is y is equal to f of x minus 4, which is y is equal to f of x plus 4. This one is slightly different. When this is plus, then it's moved to the left, and when it's minus, it's moved to the right. Now in the final case, my point is moved to this point here on graph C. So this is graph C. So this is a combination of two translations, one this way. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 units that way, and then 3 units upwards. So this is a translation 4, 3, both positive. So if we've got y is equal to f of x minus h plus c, we've got y is equal to x minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use graphs to come up with the transformation and write the graph in terms of f of x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.